If you clicked on this video because you're worried about your Volkswagen engine, good, you should be. Because the difference between an engine that lasts 300,000 miles and one that grenades itself before 120,000 often comes down to one simple thing: the oil you pour into it. And here's the part most people don't want to hear. A massive percentage of the oil sitting on store shelves right now will quietly destroy your VW from the inside out. Not immediately, not dramatically, but slowly, expensively, and inevitably. Today, you're going to learn exactly which oil brands are doing damage to Volkswagen engines every single day, and more importantly, which specific oils actually protect them the way VW engineers intended. Stay with me, because if you own a VW, this information can save you thousands. Volkswagen engines are not like most engines on the road, and treating them like they are is where people get into serious trouble. These engines are designed with extremely tight tolerances, meaning the gap between moving metal parts is much smaller than what you'd find in many American or Japanese engines. They operate at higher internal temperatures, they rely heavily on advanced electronics, and in most modern models, they're turbocharged. Those turbos spin at speeds that sound almost fake, well over 100,000 revolutions per minute, and they rely entirely on engine oil not just for lubrication, but for cooling. If that oil degrades, breaks down, or loses viscosity, the turbo is the first thing to suffer. And when a turbo fails, you're not talking about a minor repair. You're staring down repair bills that can easily reach $4,000 or more. On top of that, Volkswagen designs their engines around long oil change intervals. 10,000 miles is common, and some models go even longer under ideal conditions. That means the oil isn't just expected to lubricate, it's expected to hold its chemical structure, resist oxidation, prevent sludge, and protect internal components for far longer than oils designed around traditional 5,000-mile intervals. Add in features like variable valve timing, direct fuel injection, and extremely sensitive emission systems, and suddenly oil quality isn't optional anymore. The wrong oil doesn't just reduce performance, it can directly damage components that cost more than some entire used cars. This is why Volkswagen doesn't rely solely on generic industry standards like API or ILSAC. Instead, they created their own oil approval system. You'll see specifications like VW50200 for many gasoline engines, VW50400 for newer gasoline engines with extended service intervals, and VW50700 for diesels. These numbers are not marketing fluff. They represent oils that have survived brutal testing designed specifically around VW engine architecture. High-temperature endurance testing, oxidation resistance, sludge prevention, seal compatibility, turbo protection. An oil can meet every general industry standard and still fail Volkswagen's requirements completely. If the bottle does not explicitly list the correct VW approval number, that oil has not been certified for your engine, no matter how convincing the label sounds. Now let's get into the oils that cause problems, starting with conventional Pennzoil. To be clear, this is not about Pennzoil's synthetic or Euro-specific lines. This is about their conventional oil. Conventional Pennzoil is built on a paraffin-heavy base stock derived from Pennsylvania crude oil. That formulation made sense decades ago, but it simply cannot cope with the heat and stress inside modern turbocharged Volkswagen engines. Under sustained high temperatures, especially inside the turbo, this oil breaks down rapidly. It oxidizes, carbonizes, and eventually turns into sludge and varnish that clogs oil passages and restricts flow. I've seen engines develop significant sludge buildup in as little as 15,000 miles on this oil. Once oil passages start clogging, variable valve timing systems malfunction, turbo bearings starve, and internal wear accelerates dramatically. Unless you're maintaining a vintage air-cooled VW from the 1980s, conventional Pennzoil has no place in your engine. Next up is Valvoline Conventional Oil and Valvoline MaxLife. Valvoline makes some solid products, but these particular formulas are a poor match for Volkswagen engines. MaxLife is marketed as a high-mileage oil, which leads people to assume it's ideal for older VWs. In reality, it's designed around large displacement American engines that operate under relatively low stress. The seal conditioners and additive chemistry used in MaxLife can actually interfere with the precision-engineered seals used in VW engines. Conventional Valvoline suffers from the same thermal limitations as other basic oils. It simply cannot withstand the sustained heat of turbocharged German engines. Oil analysis reports from VWs running MaxLife often show elevated wear metals, viscosity breakdown, and reduced film strength. The engine may seem fine at first, but damage is accumulating with every mile. Quaker State conventional oil is another common mistake, usually driven by price. It's cheap, widely available, and marketed as reliable. The reality is that Quaker State conventional uses lower quality base oils that oxidize quickly under heat. As oil oxidizes, it forms acids that actively attack bearings, cylinder walls, and other critical metal surfaces. In a high-output Volkswagen engine, this chemical breakdown happens faster than many drivers realize. Cold flow performance is also poor, meaning oil circulation during cold starts is delayed. Since most engine wear occurs at startup, this accelerates long-term damage. The small amount of money saved up front often turns into massive repair costs later. SuperTech, Walmart's house brand oil, is another one to avoid. The price makes it tempting, but what you're buying is the absolute minimum quality oil allowed to be sold legally. SuperTech meets basic API standards, but those standards are designed for the broadest possible range of engines, not high-stress European designs. There is no Volkswagen approval on any SuperTech oil. The base oils are low-tier, additive packages are minimal, and quality control can vary. Oil analysis frequently shows rapid degradation, sometimes in as little as 4,000 miles. The oil's ability to neutralize acids drops quickly, leaving internal components unprotected. Running this oil in your VW is like trying to fuel a high-performance athlete on nothing but fast food. It technically works, but it's destroying things internally. Generic store-brand oils from auto parts retailers fall into the same category. These are often produced by contract manufacturers using the cheapest formulations that meet minimum requirements. The problem is consistency. One batch might be acceptable, while the next is subpar. These brands almost never pursue Volkswagen certification because maintaining that level of quality costs money. Your Volkswagen is a precision-built machine, and feeding it unknown, inconsistent oil is asking for trouble. Then there are additives, starting with Marvel Mystery Oil. This product has a cult following, but adding it to a modern VW engine is a mistake. It's essentially thin mineral oil mixed with solvents. When added to engine oil, it dilutes the carefully engineered additive package that VW-approved oils rely on. Viscosity drops, film strength weakens, and the oil's ability to protect under high load decreases. While solvents may clean some deposits, they can also degrade seals and cause leaks. Volkswagen engineers did not design their oil systems around century-old additive formulas. STP oil treatment is even worse. It's extremely thick and designed to quiet worn engines by artificially thickening the oil. Adding STP to a precisely specified VW oil changes its viscosity dramatically. Oil flow through narrow passages becomes restricted, variable valve timing systems struggle, oil pressure increases, and cold start lubrication suffers badly. This product might mask noise in an old domestic engine, but it can seriously damage a modern Volkswagen. Cheap off-brand synthetic oils without VW approval are another trap. Synthetic doesn't automatically mean suitable. Many budget synthetics use inferior base stocks in minimal additive packages. Some bottles claim compatibility with VW specifications, but compatibility is not approval. If the exact VW approval number is not printed on the bottle, the oil has not passed VW testing. Royal Purple surprises many people. While it's an excellent oil for certain applications, most Royal Purple products do not carry VW approvals. Their racing-focused formulations are designed for short drain intervals and different additive chemistry. Unless you're using their specific Euro-approved variant, Royal Purple is not appropriate for most VWs. Shell Rotella T is another common mistake in gasoline engines. It's a fantastic diesel oil, but diesel oils have very different additive packages. High detergent levels in different anti-wear chemistry can damage catalytic converters in gasoline vehicles over time. If you have a gasoline VW, this oil does not belong in your engine.
Castrol's name often gives owners a false sense of security because of its long-standing association with Volkswagen. While some Castrol oils are fully approved, others on the same shelf are not. Mixing up Castrol GTX or Magnatec variants without the correct VW approval can lead to sludge buildup, timing chain wear, and oil consumption issues, especially in modern turbocharged engines. The brand name alone means nothing if the specific bottle doesn't list the exact VW spec required for your engine. Mobil 1 can also be misleading if you grab the wrong formula. Many drivers assume all Mobil 1 oils are universally safe, but only certain Mobil 1 ESP and Euro formulations carry VW approvals. Using a standard Mobil 1 designed for generic performance vehicles can result in improper viscosity behavior under high heat, reduced protection for turbo bearings, and accelerated wear in direct injection VW engines that demand very specific oil chemistry. Even popular European branded oils can cause trouble when the approval doesn't match the engine generation. Older VW specs like 502.00 may not protect newer engines that require 504.00 or 508.00, especially with extended service intervals. Using the wrong generation-approved oil may feel fine at first, but over thousands of miles it can quietly compromise camshaft surfaces, oil control rings, and emission system components without any immediate warning signs. Another risky habit is trusting shop bulk oil without asking questions. Many quick service centers use a one-size-fits-all synthetic oil from large drums, claiming it works for European cars. In reality, bulk oil almost never carries specific VW approvals, and technicians often rely on viscosity alone rather than the required certification. This shortcut can slowly increase engine wear, cause oil pressure irregularities, and shorten the life of critical components like variable valve timing systems. Imported or gray market oils are also becoming more common, especially online. Some bottles look identical to approved European oils, but are formulated for different regions with different emission standards and fuel qualities. These versions may lack the exact additive balance VW engines need, particularly for turbocharged and direct injection setups. Over time, this can lead to carbon buildup, increased oil consumption, and premature sensor failures. The biggest danger is that damage from incorrect oil rarely shows up immediately. The engine may run smoothly for thousands of miles while wear quietly accumulates in the background. By the time warning lights appear or performance drops, the internal damage is often already done, making oil choice one of the most critical yet overlooked decisions for long-term VW engine health. Finally, the most overlooked mistake of all, running oil past its service life. Even the best oil breaks down eventually. Additives deplete, contaminants accumulate, acids form, and viscosity changes. Running extended intervals beyond VW recommendations is far more damaging than many people realize. Old oil turns thick, dark, and abrasive. Engines run on overdue oil are literally grinding themselves apart internally. Now let's talk about oils that actually work. Mobil 1 ESP is one of the safest, most proven choices available. It's engineered specifically for European vehicles with extended service intervals and carries multiple VW approvals depending on formulation. It uses high-quality synthetic base stocks with excellent thermal stability, strong turbo protection, and excellent wear control. Oil analysis consistently shows minimal wear even at long intervals. Castrol Edge Professional is another top-tier option. Castrol works directly with Volkswagen to develop oils that meet factory requirements. These are often the same formulations used from the factory. Their advanced friction modifiers create a strong protective film under high stress, making them excellent for turbocharged engines. Ravenol is less known in North America, but highly respected in Europe. Their formulations focus on engine cleanliness, emission system protection, and long service intervals. They're especially well suited for newer VW models. Total Quartz Ineo rounds out the list. Designed for modern European engines, these oils maintain stability over long intervals and protect sensitive emissions components. They're widely used across Europe with proven results. The bottom line is simple.
Choosing the right oil for your Volkswagen isn't about brand loyalty or price, it's about specifications. Ignore marketing hype and look for the correct VW approval number. Spend a little more now and you protect an engine worth tens of thousands of dollars. Take care of your VW properly and it will reward you with hundreds of thousands of reliable miles.